Hello. Uh, hello. Today we'll be doing the challenge. I'll show you. Okay, before that, let me just ready up for the thing. In my hand. Yeah, I'll show it first. What is it? Find two balls of yarn in the side corner. So we're going to do that thing and subscribe. Okay. You can subscribe to Sarthik's channel also. He'll tell you about it. So Sarthik, you want to tell something or?
No, I'll tell later.
Okay. He'll tell later.
Catty corner, right? Dude, this time there are going to be many people coming.
It's okay.
Because it's right on the start of the
Last time
party
I
first.
tried, okay, I got everything. I came first also, okay. But you know what happened? I didn't find any ball of yarn. So all the and all failed. First place also was a waste. Do you know cars
Oh,
that
okay,
come?
okay.
Do you know cars that come?
Yeah, cars. Yeah. Yeah, they're damn good.
Yeah, so we
But
can
the thing is, I expected them to go faster. Not like that slow.
we can you in the video at starting the car dashed into the helicopter and both of them blasted. It's like cool, no?
Yeah. The crash, yeah, that looked damn cool.
I don't see anybody here.
Hey, yeah, actually. Come to this. Oh, there's a taxi. We'll ram into Kit. Let's ram into Kit.
Yeah, okay.
You go first. Oh, shit.
So the henchmen already start killing you.
Come.
Wait, I some wood. Wait. You want to collect now? You don't want to collect?
Oh, dude, Kit's right there. Wait, I'm going and ramming into her.
But you're ramming. I come to take a reboot, okay? That's the thing. I never said it. I have all these. All one. There you go. Take some pepper.
Yeah, I'm dying. Yeah, I know, dude, the Kit actually. Oh, yes, birthday on.
It died actually.
No, I see people here.
Okay, come. I'll take the. Where the people? There. People. I'll also come.
Yeah, knocked one.
Oh, you also
Wait,
got
I'm almost killed them.
Yeah, I'll take him down.
Killed.
Killed her?
Yeah, come bro, we have to get Kit.
No, try to kill. I'll take a look. They were peppered there. They were grants in speed. Oh, you got a drop. Good. I'm coming in some time. Take to disguise. We use the old-fashioned side skill kit. You died, bro.
Oh, dude, come here and revive me, no?
I'll revive this. There are lots of heals. I'll take you to the heals. The hell lot of heals.
Okay.
I'm dropping some heals here only. You take it and then go, okay, wherever you want to go. Yeah. I just dropped the history.
I knocked it.
Oh, no. Okay, stop. Take everything, okay?
Yeah, killed him. No. You take the shockwave launcher.
Oh, yeah, war machine. I like war machine. Oh, war machine, war machine. He's proper. Gee, you're proper one.
Dude, can you throw it here? Can you throw it here? I have lesser.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait, I'm coming. Chill.
Two floppers.
Two floppers, yeah.
Hey, one start. One
Anurag,
ammo.
vault. Go to the vault. You go to the vault.
Yeah, I found a chest here.
I need that ammo.
Henchmen have come. Be alert. Henchmen have come.
Yeah, they just went beside me.
Oh, you have
Which,
a henchman, huh?
uh,
Hey, banana. Take banana.
banana, wait.
Sorry.
Do you have shield here? Do you have shield?
No, I have shield. I don't have shield.
That's fine.
What is one henchman? Epic.
Yeah.
You can go to the wall and get loot. The wall will have full on.
Yeah, that's where I'm going.
I'm collecting bandages.
Anurag, come here. Come here.
Yeah, alternate. All opened, huh? Good.
Yeah. You can take the shotgun.
Oh, shotgun and take it. Oh, shield potion, take
Oh,
shield.
nice. Yeah, wait. That's what I'm going to do.
Oh, shield potion here also. So many.
You take this one. I have the big shield potions. I have 2 of the big shield potions.
Yeah, I'll just take it inside this dumb gun. I don't like burst all. They're not rapid. What did you drop?
We'll take this upgrade bench. Yeah, we'll take the upgrade bench. Wait, I'll take it.
Upgrade bench I'm not taking.
No, in
Oh, I
case
need
we
some
get some
rockets.
and we have enough man.
Rockets. Okay, let me see.
Rockets.
I have
Wait, I
a
don't have rockets.
tactical shirt. Okay, why am I carrying corn? Exactly, why am I carrying corn?
Yeah.
I'll carry a flopper instead. And medkit
Anurag, guess what I got? I got a sniper.
cool.
That too out of a normal chest. That is purple sniper. Flare gun. I mean a medkit bad. If you want, you can take it. Wait, Anurag, and sometimes the storm will come on us, so we have to go. Wait, I'm coming.
Put so many medkits. I'll take medkits instead of flopper then. Oh,
Dude, Anurag, take this charge shotgun. Anurag, take this charge shotgun
I don't
instead
like
of your
charge
tactical
shotgun.
shotgun.
I don't like charge
Oh,
shotgun.
okay. Come, we have to go. If you are
Yeah.
done with your,
Quickly.
like, you loot
I
and...
want to replace my bandages. I'll replace. The bandages are good. I think.
Anurag, the storm's on us. Anurag, the storm.
Chill. I'll manage.
Anurag, the storm.
I'll manage.
Okay. Oh, you are already in it. Okay.
I'm in the vault. Oh no. Good. Still only I'm not ready to side.
Oh, medkit.
We didn't find any. Where are the medkits? Oh, good.
That.
I'm collecting them. I took the medkits instead of flopper for collecting. What? He dropped it. Oh. Good. Whoa.
Wait.
Oh, you need
Oh,
it.
you want it.
Oh, you need
Wait,
it.
you want it.
No, it's okay. I wanted to collect it. I didn't want to use it. When we have good health.
Then you collect it.
Because when you have lesser health, you can use
Oh.
lesser health.
Guy there.
Yeah, I'm just building something. Just in case.
It's a bot. Dude, it's a bot. Chill, I know.
Oh.
Okay, we have to find a car.
Oh, that I found in Catty only.
Oh. Huh.
So there's a guy crawling. I'll just shake him down.
Yeah, that guy there. Yeah, I killed him. Okay, he's coming. He's there.
He's there. I didn't know him also.
Killed him.
Oh, I was going to kill him and you killed him.
Sorry.
It's okay. You killed him.
No, like if you want, you just tell me. I'll just let you kill him. Or I'll just definitely snipe him.
No, if you...
Anurag, what's your loadout, bro?
Huh?
Which guns do you have?
I
Which guns do you have?
have medkit 3,
Okay.
small potion 6, mega,
Okay.
see the purple color shotgun, bandages 15,
Okay.
and the war machine.
Dude, throw the bandages. Throw the bandages and take this. Wait, throw the bandages and take this.
Cool. You can take the bandages if you want.
Yeah, I take. That's the thing. Where do you get so many heals from?
I collected. We'll go to the drop
Oh,
somewhere.
I'm lagging.
Somewhere, yeah, we'll go here.
Anurag, come here.
Yeah. Oh, you have Chuck Flash.
Wait, yeah, that's all.
Hey, there's a truck.
Oh, it's a car.
Truck. I'll shoot it with what? War machine or the T19?
Oh, it's the grappler. It's
Huh?
the guy with the grappler.
What?
Guy with the grappler. You know the grappler, no?
Yeah, I'll belt the car.
No, chill.
Because someone was riding it.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Okay, let's move. Anurag, we can't get to that drop. We'll try going to this one.
Okay.
Because by the time one person would have come there also. Okay, there is a person.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Wait, I don't see him, but Marauders got angry on someone.
Oh. I'll go to them and create distraction.
Killed one.
Kill the marauders.
Marauder.
Those marauders randomly shoot. They don't kill aim.
I'm gonna no-scope one of them.
What? No scope?
Wait, like no-scope. So these guys are actually managing to kill me.
Boy, there's so many of those marauders. Oh, shit, I'm out. Wanna kill all of them, huh?
Oh shit, I'm dead. Oh shit.
Don't go for murders next time, okay? One thing. Yeah, you got shield. Good. Quickly.
Yeah, I'm coming to you.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm coming to you. Chill.
I have 10 seconds now. Quickly, heal me.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Nice.
Four
I don't
health.
know.
4 health.
Guy. Oh, he killed me. It's fine.
How do we get yarn ball? Karthik, how to get a yarn ball? Karthik, how do we get a yarn ball?
Yeah. How do you make that? Wait, I'll. We are going to catch you again, huh? Or we'll go to the authority.
I thought that the video was on this thing to get the yarn ball, no?
Yeah, dude, I'll try. I don't know how to get that. Even I have not completed that.
I have completed one of those, not all of them. That I found in
Dude,
art.
the thing is, there are many people going to Catty.
Yo, you should use this thing, umbrella at starting only, or whatever, glider umbrella. Then you will reach. Whatever happens, you will reach.
Okay.
Then when you're close by you. Oh, your glider is way faster than mine. That much I'm sure.
Nothing like that, bro. Nothing like that.
Okay, suddenly you reach.
Okay, tactical shotgun. Oh, now you landed.
Time to break these.
Dude, what? Why is this so cruel to us, bro? Okay, we have to go.
You'll have to go.
No, we have to go somewhere.
To go somewhere. I just quickly use chili. Full speed with chili. Who killed you, henchman? Huh?
No, stay here. Come here, huh?
Oh, I don't have a gun actually. So
Yeah, and I have a gun. The thing is, I lagged a bit.
do you know what's the advantage of? You go faster than normal?
What?
Who knocked you out? Who knocked you out?
I don't know.
Don't know. knocked him over.
Yeah, bro, I actually don't really count.
You have to go somewhere, huh? You can't just stay there. Yeah, I'm coming to take you. Good. I'm sorry. My decoys killed a henchman, seriously. My decoys killed a henchman.
Anurag, go get her, this guy.
Yeah. Okay. He saw me. Ooh!
Fine.
I don't think we can find the ball. The yarn ball. Do you think we can find the yarn ball? Huh?
Wait. Dude, I'll, 1 minute.
Do you think we can find the yarn ball?
Nah, I don't know. Wait 1 minute. I'll come back in a minute.
Because then we can do something else. No need to land in Catty all the time. That's if you think we won't be able to find the ball, then we can change the thing. I mean, I can change the video to something else.
Okay.
So what? Do you think we'll find the ball?
Wait. That's what I'm trying to find. Yarn ball.
But if you find the yarn ball,
Anurag, 1 yarn balls here. Anurag, 1 yarn balls here.
okay, thanks. Can you not open it? You can
First
take the
yeah, you have to find 3 yarn balls.
Hey, don't open
I collected that one.
Hey, you collected
Oh,
it.
dude, I collected it. Sorry.
Okay,
Wait, next match, one. Wait, I find another yarn ball.
It's okay. This is time of going Catty. After going to Catty, I'm done with Catty. After challenge, I'm done with Catty. Seriously, I'm done with Catty. I'm done with Catty ever.
Oh, I know one more yarn ball to see. Anurag here.
Thanks, I'm coming. Wait. Oh, you know it,
No, dude, I'm just randomly going and finding it. And another one's here.
Oh, thanks. Then the video can be over now. Last one for the video.
No. One more. You have to find another yarn ball.
No, I already finished one yarn ball. Last one.
Bro.
Thank you.
Video's done, no?
Yeah. No, it's still going on. The last match is still going on. Means like last match. I'll shake him down. Wait. He's trying to take people down. Where you see a crown symbol. There's the crown symbol. It is dead. It is dead. Dead.
Dude. Dude, Anurag, another yard ball.
Yeah, you can use it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can complete your challenge.
Okay.
Don't you have challenges? Oh no, I need a gun. Yes, that's all right for handy. No? Hi. Yes, I knocked so many henchmen.
Yeah, nice.
Did you find food? See, kid. I'll take the henchman down so that you find kid.
Yeah, found him.
Good. I'll just make some food that will add to horrible and use all my ammo on these henchmen. So I need to find hell lot of loot. Henchmen again. When do you henchmen go? Oh shit, I don't think we'll reach the zone.
Anurag, come. I have the shotgun. Come fast. The launcher.
Do you have a launch pad?
It's fine. We find a launch pad. We get a launch pad, sure.
Chill, wait, I'll just get some healing items. No, actually, I don't want healing items right now. I'll just get some speed. 3, 2, 1, speed. Chili is the best. Oh, I need to use one more chili here. No, I'll replace it instead of this dumb thing. Okay, I just need some. Oh, you're already in the center. Yeah, I'm taking.
Take that burst, yeah.
It's the healing materials.
Wait, Anurag. Anurag, wait.
Good. Waste of me using the pot. Really waste of me using the pot. Exactly. Worst thing ever done.
Anurag, come.
Yeah, I'll just take some the stuff splashes and all because we will need it. Actually, no need. Let's go fast.
Oh, no, we are so dead, bro.
I know.
Anurag, come. I'm building.
Wait, I found crash pad. We'll use it.
No, bro, I'm launching. Come. It's up here.
Oh, launch pad you have.
Yeah.
Do you know chili makes it more faster? Way more faster. Hey, does chili in gliding also make you fast? Huh?
Huh? No, it won't.
Okay. I'll use my crash pad. It's damn good. No, once my chili goes, I'll use crash pad. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there's no use of using crash pad because we're right next to the zone. Where do we go? Sajid, since it's the last match of the video, we'll try to make it. We'll try to make it double. Like we'll go to one good place like Catty and then again. Dish it. Oh, blue tap you want? Do you want a blue tap or no need?
Dude, I have the shark shotgun.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You have the best shotgun in the world. Come, let's go. Zone. I think there are people here.
Yeah, there are.
But I don't see any people. Sasuk, if you have rockets, can you give it to me? Oh, you sniped a guy,
Yeah.
Can you shake him down?
No, there's another guy.
I'll just take the loot to the front.
Anurag, I need ammo.
Oh, I see the guy. I'll backfire the guy. He doesn't know also. Yeah, we killed him.
Anurag? Yeah, nice. Anurag, wait, I have rockets. 4 rockets.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Oh, medkit, I'm taking it out the cabbage. I don't know why I'm carrying cabbage also.
Medkit. I have 3 medkits.
Oh, you already have 3. I see.
Hey, Anurag, why are we so
I
far
see
away?
I see a dude there. I see the shop.
Okay, I'm coming.
I don't have a sniper, so if I just simply take a shotgun and that's all I can blast in the head. Quickly, come.
Yeah, Anurag, I'm coming.
See, those people are there. They're shooting the shark.
Yeah, I'm here.
Kill the shark. Oh, pistol. They're going to the pistol. I'm randomly shooting now.
Yeah. Nice.
To snipe,
These guys are good.
Oh shit, they're shooting me. Oh, I lost all my shields. Man, only 5 bullets. I don't know where to put also.
I killed one.
Good. Now we'll close range the other guy. And I'm taking my shield back. Yes.
Killed.
I want AR ammo if there is. Satvik, you
You need AR ammo.
Satvik, you have.
Take this, Anurag. Anurag, take AR ammo. Yeah, you took it.
That's all I want. Any shields? Yes, I got a shield. Oh, flopper, let me catch it. Oh, I can't catch it.
No fishing, not only and then you catch it in hand.
If that was possible, I'd have done it. If that was possible.
Yeah, that's the thing. Everyone could have done. Okay, there are only 10 people left.
Yeah.
You're still streaming, no?
Yeah. This is the last match. After this match, I'll
Okay.
stop. Stop. I want to see what all loot the guy had.
Dude, he had nothing good, bro. Nothing good. I'm just searching. Guy with drum gun and salty.
Oh, there's a drum gun and salty here.
No, there's a person with drum guns here.
Oh, I thought the drum gun and salty. Oh, you killed him, huh? Killed the sniper.
Almost.
I don't see anybody.
Knocked one.
Oh, now I see. Should I use my grenade launcher?
Nah. Easy.
Yeah, with... Oh, sniper! He's there. He's coming to kill me now. He's coming to kill me. Oh no.
Why, bro?
He's shooting you right now. Nice. Yo. Snipe me, that's the most bad.
Yeah. Anurag, there are people here, so we have to do this fast.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Boy! Is he there? Oh.
What? Yeah, ready up, bro.
Yeah, I'll just stop the recording. Thank you, bye, subscribe again.